I'm Tony from Plumber Heating and Cooling. I'm very excited this year of the oldest hot water heater contest. We have a winner. I'm going to make that call.
Hello?
Hi, this is Tony from Plumber Heating and Cooling. Is this Margaret Zolman?
Yes, it is.
Well, ma'am, I hope you're sitting down.
Yes, I am.
Well, I just wanted to tell you that you're the winner of the new oldest hot water heater contest this year.
Oh my goodness, you're kidding.
No, I'm not. And we'll be installing a brand new hot water heater free of charge.
Oh my goodness, that's great.
You are very welcome.
Much.
Hi, Martin Zolman.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Tony from Plumber Heating and Cooling.
Hi.
Hi, I just want to present you with these for the oldest hot water heater contest.
Oh my goodness.
And,
Okay.
and congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I
You're
am
welcome.
so surprised.
Hi, Ms. Zolman. What inspired you to enter the contest?
Well, I saw it online. I was checking my emails one day and I thought I'd just give it a try. My hot water heater is 27 years old. I'm getting concerned that it may fail on me soon, so I decided to enter and I won.
Well, I'm so glad that you won everything. 27 years old is a long time for a water heater. But our new water heaters that we have out today, they're just as much efficient and everything if you keep the maintenance up on them.
How do I do the maintenance on it?
We'll do a flushing every year and just check the elements in the anode rod. And like I say, we hope we get another 27, 30 years out of it.
That sounds good to me.
This one is the new State Select water heater. It's a lot more energy efficient than the old one that we took out. It has better plumbing connections on the top for dielectric connections, so there's no combining of two different metals. It also has a new pan that we will pipe to the drain, and so if there's any leaks, you'll be able to contain it here in the pan and it goes right to the drain.